Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So it's the beginning of a new month, which means a new month of possibilities. Now, while it's important to look back and reflect on how things went in the previous month, it's also important not to live there. August holds a series of possibility. Maybe it's finishing a manuscript, maybe it's submitting your manuscript, maybe it's even publishing your manuscript. So lean into that feeling and focus on all the possibility that's ahead of you for a new month. I hope that this was an inspiring pep talk. If you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. And you can find out more about Writer's Atelier via the links down below. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of our community. Bye.